Don't scare the client.
Come on. Shake your tonton. Shake your tonton's belly. Come on. Come and sit. I'll give you the iPad.
Mama says don't touch them. When you spit, you can hurt yourself.
Da, da, so ja spune nisam v naščave, pa se veš. Da, sme zadeti smețeliți, hai, ravenze, parați că te unde si tu. Vezi, uite,